Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Maba token. That is the ticker symbol MABA, and it is short for Make America Based Again, because this token is on the Basechain, and they were actually trending on Dex Screener. I forget which place, but we'll find that in a second here. We're going to go over the information on the Make America Based Again token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Maba token is trending number 29 on Dex Screener right now. It is up 73.5% right now in the green, doing very well. So this token here came out around 5 or 6 days ago. So it's not like a hot off the press token like a lot of, if you check out my recent uploads, a lot of these tokens I just uploaded came out in the last few hours or so, or the last day at least. So brand new tokens, but this one actually came out 5 or 6 days ago, so it's not super new, but it's still up. Still up right now, 75%, doing very well, trending still. And people have been asking, I've been making a lot of Solana videos, and people have been asking in the comments, how about Base? Do you like tokens on Base? Well, I mean, it's not about what I like. It's about what you guys want to hear. So if you guys want to hear some Base meme tokens, we'll talk about a couple Base meme tokens, starting with the Maba token. And also, I'm going to upload in either yesterday or today. I uploaded. What did I upload? The Weirdo token on Base, which is basically the opposite of the Normie token. So check out that video. Based Wojak, ticker symbol Bojack, and maybe a couple other ones I'll upload as well. So check out those based meme tokens I just uploaded. But if you go to makeamericabasedagain.net, you can find the tokenomics, roadmap, info, Twitter, Telegram, and a button to buy this token off of Uniswap. So basically, you need a wallet where you could have Base, like a Coinbase wallet, a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Uniswap wallet, any of those wallets. You get some ETH, you bridge that ETH to Base using the bridge, and then using your wrapped ETH on the Basechain, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you can find on their webpage, makeamericabasedagain.net, use that contract address and change your trade your wrapped ETH for the Maba token. And you may have to set slippage if there's taxes. We'll try to find that in a second here. So welcome to Make America Based Again. Support Trump in the true patriot style with Maba, the Donald Trump-inspired meme coin on Base that's all about fun and freedom. They have the contract address there. They have a link to their chart on Dex Screener if you want to check it out too. So about Maba. Welcome to Maba, introducing Make America Based Again, your go-to Donald Trump-inspired meme coin. We're all about celebrating the iconic spirit of one of the most unforgettable figures with a healthy dose of humor. So it says 0% taxes. So if you're going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap, it may be on Sushiswap as well, but definitely Uniswap. You probably will not have to worry about slippage, maybe 1% at the most. So it says our tokenomics are simple, nothing complicated here, no tax, and a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, why Maba? Well, it's pure fun. Maba is here to inject some fun into the crypto world We're a meme coin with no affiliations, just a love for Trump and the USA. Patriotic spirit, embrace the spirit of freedom and the American dream with every transaction. Our coin is a nod to enthusiasts who enjoy politics with a side of humor. Now keep in mind, when I upload videos that have to do with any topic, especially politics, it's nothing that I actually care about. I'm not even from America. I'm from Canada. I have no thoughts about voting for anything American whatsoever. So, you know, this says I have no affiliations with any of this stuff either. So just be aware of that. Okay, so innovative tech built on cutting-edge Basechain. We're setting the pace for the future of meme coins, fast, secure, and with the Trump flair. Maba is bringing the bull run to base. You know what I have not seen is a Trudeau token. Speaking of which, not that would. I'm not saying that would be good or bad, but it doesn't seem like many crypto developers, any developers out there, care about making a Trudeau token. Which, you know, whatever. I'm not going to comment on that. But yeah, be part of the movement. Maba isn't just a coin, it's a statement. Let's make crypto great again, one Maba token at a time. Then they have the roadmap on here, starting with phase 1 is stealth launch, 1,000 plus holders. Get Maba trending all over, trending on Twitter, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listings. Phase 2, central exchange listings, 10,000 plus holders, more trending, target specific ads, tier 1 KOLs. Phase 3, Maba merch, tier 1 central exchange listings, takeover on the base chain, and then Maba. So they do give you a how to buy section too on the web page using a Coinbase wallet or MetaMask wallet. And yeah, talking about sending Ethereum on the base chain, all that type of stuff. Show you how to do that in case you didn't understand what I said. You can follow their web page. And their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there, Maba on base. Has the contract address right there, web page, Telegram, basically all the links you need. Everything is on that Twitter right there. And how is this token doing? Well, like I said, it was trending number 29. And they have a market cap of $3.9 million. They have $213,000 in liquidity on Uniswap. And yeah, so they're doing very well for a token that just came out 5 days ago. 5 or 6 days ago, depending on when I upload this. But yeah, go check it out. On Deck Screener too, you can find all the links as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.